Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're fixing up a table. This is my friend's barbecue table that he keeps outside, but as you can see, it's in better days, mostly because it's not made to be an outside table. So my plan is to replace the countertop for this table using some wood that I got here and treat it with some paints for outside use. So hopefully it'll last a little bit longer than this, whatever this is. Again, not intended for outside use. So yeah, simple video, stick around, hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. So this is the final tabletop. I'm really happy with it. I've never done such precision work with my woodworking, and I'm really happy with it. Really happy with the rounded corners, how the two pieces of wood stuck together. It was my first time working with biscuits and with a router. Sorry about the chicken noise. Nothing I can do about it. Not my house, so not much I can do about it. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Happy how it turned out. I ended up giving it around 5 or 6 coats of paint, whatever this paint is. Apparently it's going to last for 12 years if you apply it correctly, which I did according to the paint instructions. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, well, thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you for the next one.